Oh my god, Blackflower is back. Welcome back to my vlog, beautiful people. I've missed you all so much. Here's a quick recipe on how I made this tasty palm oil rice. Ingredients are onion, fresh pepper, crayfish, chopped fresh tomato, scently fried plantain, smoked fish, palm oil, pre-cooked rice. I pounded my pepper and mutton pesto because this is a native food. So first I heated up my palm oil in a pot and sauteed my onion. I kind of mashed my onion because I wanted it that way. Then I added my chopped tomato and allowed it to cook for some time. You see this palm oil rice, you can cook it with only onion, pepper and crayfish. I'm telling you. So I added my pepper into the pot with my shredded smoked fish. Added my thyme and curry just to spice it up, and of course salt is needed. Also added a good amount of blended crayfish. So it's time to add in the pre-cooked rice. You need to stir it, like stir it, make sure it mixes very well. Seriously, like let it mix. This is the beauty of it. Then I added some water and extra salt, but I didn't film that. After cooking for some time, I went in with my sliced scent leaf, and guys, scent leaf does wonders to this rice. So this is me adding in fried plantain. This one is just an extra stuff to spice things up. I mean, if you have any other goodies, you can also top it up. It's acceptable. This food was sweet. I ate. I just topped it up with some of the sauce from when I was frying the tomato and pepper. Thanks for watching.